Okay, so unemployment claims, they are expecting the number to come out higher. So previous was 199, forecast 213. So they're anticipating a higher print. This being said, if it does come out in line, then you could see further downside. If we come in lower, that would be positive reaction for us. So I'll be looking for longs. I should have actually gone in here on this 5 minute tap. I haven't done so as yet because of the fact that we have news now. So I'm gonna wait a little bit just to see what happens here. But this was sort of the entry. We had a 5 minute low being taken, high being broken right now. Tap into the 5 minute FEG, which was down here. We are currently sitting in a daily FEG, which is sitting here. Uh, can see there. So we're sitting in a daily FEG here. I do see some run up today. Yesterday, obviously, price did sell off quite significantly. But yeah, what we're looking at today is some run up into potentially one of these highs. Could be either the Asian highs, which are sitting up above. A lot of imbalance from yesterday's run down. You can see we've got imbalanced areas right across the board. So yeah, we should see some buy side being taken. Let's see what that number came in at. Does anybody know? Let's see. Okay. Let's see quickly. 208. Okay, less than forecast, but slightly higher than previous. The fact that it's less than forecast is good. The fact that it's higher than previous, not so good. So it's a bit of a mixed reaction. I'd like to see what price does here and how it digests this data. If we do see a new 15-minute FEG being formed here, potentially even a tap in could be our next entry area or the entry area for today. I'd like to see these highs get taken here. So I want to see that. And then potentially a run into there. And then obviously target buy side up above, a fill into the PDC. We've got previous day's low there as well. So just some of the stuff I'm looking at. Obviously, we are trading beneath the Asian lows. London has done a raid on those lows. Asian highs left untaken. So we could see a move to the upside. Just waiting. let's see what happens here. I obviously don't want to see any of these areas being inversed, more so this area here. So you've obviously got a volume imbalance down here. You've got a tiny one down here. Potential for price to either spike one of these two. But I don't want to see price close beneath this area. If it does, then potentially going to do another leg down, which is not ideal. Um, I'd like to see price obviously hold up above here and potentially hold above this high. Okay, so we're still waiting, guys. Oh, what's good, guys? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yes, tomorrow is NFP. Tomorrow is NFP. We will most likely trade it live, I think. Um, did you take a trade yet? We're still waiting. We're still waiting. Donovan, we are still waiting. Haven't taken anything as yet. And obviously that's because, like I mentioned earlier, there was some news just now. Um, so this is the area I don't want to see it inverse, guys. There's a tiny 5-minute FEG here. I don't want to see price obviously close beneath that, because that could potentially signify another leg lower, seeing as we didn't close above this high. So we would like to see price hold here or anywhere in this area without closing beneath. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens from there. So I'm going to move this because we first need to see this and then that. So this is actually not going to be valid anymore because that did not form. That's what we're looking at. So this low I had marked up because this is an Asian low. An Asian low there. We have London high here, another London high there. Luke says, yes, he is in. No, I'm not in. I don't know who told you I'm in. Kurt, what's good? Yeah, all good, man. Your side, what's happening? Guys are quiet. What's happening, guys? We've got some time today to chill a bit. Just waiting at this point. I'm seeing this as definitely the high risk area to go long in on. I just don't want to get in yet. Want more confirmation from you guys. Sahil says, are we buying? Yes, we are looking for buys. We are looking for buys, guys. I'm not in anything yet. I'm not going to say this again, but I'm not in anything yet. We are looking for buys. I'm waiting for more confluences from this area. Remember, the daily is in this FEG currently. The problem with this, the only issue with this is a good area, but it's quite big. So if I'm not mistaken, it's about 400 or three, yeah, it's about a 400 or 4,000 per FEG. So it's quite significantly big, which means there is room for them to obviously manipulate within this area. It could run down a little bit more first, could even run into this area. I wouldn't be surprised if price runs into that inverse SIBI. So yeah, I'm just waiting. You see how that SIBI, that inverse SIBI lines up with the 50%. So whether it does it today or tomorrow, because tomorrow's NFP. So remember, this could push up a little bit, then tomorrow come down and then tap into this area and then run up. So I already know if NFP tomorrow is going to sit in here, um, then the probability of a run up is going to be quite significant or quite high, sorry. Um, but yeah, we need to see what happens first. As it stands, we are trading this here. So I think Nasdaq as well. Nasdaq was in the same area, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So Nasdaq, there was a tiny, if you look here, a bit of a breakout, came back, pulled back into this tiny FEG here, um, down here, and should run up into buy side, sitting at these highs. There's also a gap that's left unfold here. So yeah, we should see that move higher. US 30 got the feeling we might push up to the daily close near 49,200, then come back down, then push for the next day for NFP. Yeah, so that's also a possibility, which is what I'm looking at. So my run up today is not really a turn. I'm expecting a move up, but I'm not expecting the turn to happen today. Um, so what I'm expecting is obviously a run into buy side. Whether that buy side is one of these London highs, remember you've got a London high here, you've got an Asian high resting here, here, and here. So I would say the most significant Asian highs is this one and that one there, being the more likely draw for a move up. So we've got buy side resting, sell side was taken, meaning Asian lows was taken. So all I'm trying to catch is literally a run into buy side targets, which is that. Because I do believe that after that, it should look to come down again and then potentially tomorrow do its thing up. Okay, so that's inverse at FEG. Not really a good sign for me. Yeah. Truth Social, Somali Crash, blah blah blah. Why so quiet? You guys ask. You mean me or the rest of the guys? I already did a breakdown. I'm waiting. We're just waiting at the moment. Guys, I can see you guys are still not listening to me. Still some people drawing on the chart here. Can you please remove your dots or whatever it is that you've drawn, whoever did it? Maverick says, Shak, do you also use 50% of the Asian range to gauge momentum direction? No, I don't. It's not something that I use. What is your thoughts on gold? Um, must be honest, I haven't looked at gold today. Uh, I would ideally wait for a breakout above this area, as well as here. So I think if we can close obviously above there, if we can close above that area on gold, then you could possibly look at getting in on some longs. Yeah, because that is a bit of a price is kind of stuck at the moment, Joe. There's a bit of a consolidation that's happening here. Ideally, I'd stay out until we get either a break above or a break beneath these two areas. Oh. So if you look closely, guys, on US 30, remember that on Monday, do you guys remember on Monday we streamed live? So yes, we caught this, I think this was Tuesday's trade. And then yesterday we caught a trade on NASDAQ, another 2,000 pips there. But on Monday, we didn't take any trades because we were waiting for a pullback into this FEG here, which was the 15 minute. Can you see here from here to here? So that was the 15-minute FEG, which was not tapped on Monday, which has then left obviously liquidity at that point. So we've raided that and we've tapped into that 15-minute FEG plus the daily FEG. I think there is also a 1 hour here as well. So it's a 30-minute and it's a 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. A 1 hour as well, and a 4 hour as well. So there's quite a few confluences. I'm just waiting for some indication of a move higher, but nothing yet. We obviously haven't taken out that high. Oh, oh, being tired today. Let me just catch up on the chart check. Gold, gold had a few good movements this morning. Yes, it did. There was a monster FEG here on US 30. I think you're talking about. Demo, must we buy it? No. As I says, demo is trading. I don't think it's the same demo. Oh, demo, bro. Yeah, I think it's using demo. Using demo's Zoom because it shows. Yeah, it shows demo's name. Like, um, let's send this airdrop. On stream. One second, guys. I'm back. Sorry. Um, Nyse says volume imbalance on 3 minute chart. Looks like price wanted to fill it first. I'm assuming you're talking about the one somewhere down here. Oh, where? This one. Okay, but anyways, I think we're gonna sweep. It's probably gonna sweep these lows again by the looks of it. I'm not gonna get in anything until I see something convincing. I'm actually gonna put the 1 minute and 5 minutes up next to each other so we can see it better. 5 minutes there. Okay, so she's run that high. I mean that low, sorry. Well, has it? Not yet. Almost. Almost. Of course, if you haven't looked at the chart since Monday, then you're rusty. You can't be telling me it looks bearish. I know you're talking about NAS. Yes, it hasn't taken that low yet. Um, Go back there. Still 20 minutes more. So I don't like that it hasn't taken that low, but having said that, there was this area here which could still be used as a run-up from not ideally what I want to see. Starting to think that that was probably the area. Or maybe not. Maybe not. See this area here, guys. Surely we come into that. Okay. Ideally, like I said, we'd like to see that get taken. And then if she is to turn from below here. Was there any further news today? No, nothing. So it's just this. I see what you're saying. I see. Sure. Let's also see what, eh? Okay, so that is what I was looking for. Small spikety spike. Yo, who's fucking calling me now? Fuck, man. Sorry, guys. People keep calling the wrong times. Okay, so right now I'd like to see this get inversed, guys. Um, we can inverse that. Potentially, we could see something go up. Okay. Oh, has not done that. It's looking better, guys. We need to see it push through here. I want to see it push through this 1 minute FEG. Come, come, come. Give us some good rejection from here. There we go. There we go. I'm going to go long here, guys. I'm going long. W's, 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 guys. W's, W's. We should be up. We are up, up, up. We are up. We are up, guys. We are up, lekker. Guys, please trail. Please trail. This was a high risk one, as always, but W's, W's, W's. Bang, guys. What a fucking trade. You. It's 1,300 pips up, guys. Come, come, come. W's, W's, W's. Where's those W's, guys? Yeah, there was a. Guys, start. You can bag and keep runners. Keep trailing your runners, guys. Keep trailing your runners. Um, Drop them W's in the chat, please. W's, 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 guys. There's it all in the chat, guys. Absolute banger of a trade. US 30, as you can see, smashed it live on stream, over 1,300 pips up at the moment. But that's how we do it, guys. W is still coming through. Absolutely smashed it, guys. Well done, guys. Well done, well done, well done. What a banger. What a fucking banger. Yo, we had to be quick on this one. We had to be fucking really quick on it. But yeah, it was a good one nonetheless, guys. Yeah, guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow, same time, same place.